Repeat after me, exactly the notes that I play. We're going to play the first 4 like this. C, 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 D. Your turn. Then we're going to play E and hold it down, and D and hold it down. Let's see what that looks like on the piano cam here. I'm going to play E, E, hold, and then let go. Your turn. And then D, hold, and then let go. And parents or grown-ups, if you're helping your young kids, make sure to let them do as much of the thinking and as much of the learning as possible. So as much as you can, avoid grabbing their hand and definitely avoid playing the keys for them. The best thing you can do is point at which key they should play, but be patient. Let them have a few tries if they need to. Okay, let's go to the next measure now. We're going to play C, E, D, D. Your turn. And then look at this note. We're going to play C and then hold, 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 and then let go. C, hold, hold, hold. And that is the whole song, except we have 2 dots at the end. And I have a little rhyme for this. I say, when you see 2 dots at the end, it means you play the song again. So see how we have 2 dots over here and we have 2 dots over here? That's called a repeat sign, and it means that we go back to the beginning and play it a second time. So let's do it one more time. Repeat after me. C, 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 D. Your turn. And then E, hold, D, hold. Then C, E, D, D. And our very last note is C, hold, 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 and lift off. And you have done a great job, so give yourself a round of applause. Bravo! Parents or grown-ups, give lots of high fives and round of applause as well. And we have one more thing we do at the end of each lesson, which is, especially at the end of class, we go 1, 2, 3, and we say, let's be playful. And then we explode. But first, before you go on, you can either go on to song number 2 for more of a challenge and variety, or try the tempo, concert tempo practice track for this song and see if you can play it the whole thing through from the beginning to end at the concert speed without any pauses or mistakes.